Hello folks. Today I'm gonna teach you how to export from PowerPoint into video. But, before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you. Step 1. Open PowerPoint. Step 2. Make your own project. Step 3. Click File, then click Export, then click Create a Video, and then click Create Video. Click here if you want to adjust the video quality, and click here if you want to adjust the time. And then click Create Video. Please wait for a moment. Now your video is ready. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you enjoy it. And see you next time.